Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling. With beautiful haircut, very attractive and eye-catching hair dye. And many much more beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Some ideas spiky hairstyle. Beautiful collection of messy hairstyle. Mostly ideas in low maintenance, spiky and most messy hairstyles. But in today's my collection, some ideas in fine hairstyles with undercut. The so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde hair dye. The hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. A very beautiful collection of funky colors, different collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And different collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Ideas layered, deep layered, step. Many much more latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very attractive, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll be come with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.